Hi guys, good evening. So in this video we are going to continue our earlier discussion on how to create a irresistible offer. Initially I mentioned about that to create an irresistible offer you need to have the right market and then you must be solving a burning problem. The reason why am I saying is that because only when you solve a burning problem for a right market, then that market, then there will be demand, because burning problem means people demand solution for that problem, and when there is a demand, only then you can fulfill that demand. If people, they don't demand the solution, basically if people don't consider the problem to be a problem that you are solving, if they don't see, if they are not aware of the problem that you are solving, then they will not demand the solution. Even though you are in the right market, even though your market is growing, even though they have paying capacity, they have, basically they are easy to target, but still the pain, they may not realize the pain component, they may not be able to realize the pain because of the problem. So only when they see the problem that you are solving to be a problem, then only they will demand solution. They experience the pain and then they will demand the solution for it. And that is why it is important to solve a burning problem. Now you might ask, how do we find burning problem? How do we find burning problem? So there is a systematic process to it. Whenever we do market research, first of all, whenever we onboard a client, first of all, we prepare a list of all the things, all the problems that the client's product can solve. For example, in mobile numerology or in numerology, for example, numerology can solve a number of problems. Or to be, or to more niche it down, mobile numerology can solve a number of problems, typically health, wealth, relationships, career and business. Basically wealth comes under career and business only, so you can say health, wealth and relationships. Now when we onboard a client for numerology, then what do we do? What I had done is that I did a proper market research and find out among the health, wealth and relationship segment which one is the most burning problem, where the people are suffering the most, where people are demanding the maximum solution. Basically maximum number of people are demanding the solution. And then I reached that, decided based on market research, we decided that the wealth segment is the most problematic segment and is the most painful segment. Basically in the wealth, if we position mobile numerology as helping people to solve their money related problems, then that would attract a larger chunk of population. Then the, and this I am saying on the basis of market research. People have relationship problem, people have health problem, mobile numerology can solve those problems also. But on the basis of market research, we decided that we should move ahead with solving with wealth problem. Why? Because the market size of wealth problem, people facing, the number of people facing wealth problem was very large as compared to relationship and health problems. People were demanding solution for their wealth problems, more number of people as compared to relationship and this your health segment. So how do we do this? How do we do this market research? Basically, first I mentioned that number one, we list down all the problems that our product can solve. Number two, we move on to the Facebook ads library and do a competitor research, where in the competitor research we find out the top competitors and then scan their landing page, their ads, their marketing collateral. On the basis of that, we scan that thing in the Facebook ad library, and from there we see a pattern, basically what type of problems they are solving, what type of problems they are emphasizing, or what type of comments people are saying, what they are saying. And then we, on the basis of that, we decide that we need to go with wealth niche, wealth related problems. Then this is just one component of market research. Then we move on to the second component, basically YouTube videos, and there we scan the YouTube channels of our competitors. On that basis, we see which type of videos are getting maximum number of views, which type of, what the people are commenting, what are their burning problems. Thirdly, we move on to the Google Trends and see what people are searching for, what keywords, what problems, what pain they are searching for and saying. On the basis of that, we decide what problems we need to focus. Basically, if you ask me, the exact process is that we prepare a bank of 9 problems in total, and on the basis of this research, we rate every problem. That, for example, three competitors are solving this your wealth problem, two are solving health, some other are saying something other things. So on the basis of that, we rank all the problems, and the problems that maximum number of people are solving, maximum number of competitors are solving, we also solve that problem. Now you might ask that when already these people are solving wealth related problem, for example, first, are you clear about how do we decide the burning problem? The problem that maximum number of people are solving, that is the burning problem. First thing. Now the next question you might have, when already a large number of people are solving the wealth related problem, then why are you entering in a competitive market? Would it be difficult to start? Already there is so much competition. This is a natural question. But see, when there is a lot of competition, where there is a lot of competition, it means there is a lot of demand. What you need to do is that you need to create an irresistible offer, that I will be diving further in discussion other videos. But you need to create an irresistible offer and jump in the crowded marketplace where everyone is there, and there, through your through the four pillars of creating, you utilizing the four pillars of creating an irresistible offer, you need to create your own irresistible offer and stand out from the crowd. So the thing is, jump in the market. We identify the burning problem and jump in the market where there is a lot of demand and competition, and there we create an irresistible offer based on research. And then basically there are four pillars that I will be explaining, that helps us create position ourselves uniquely in this market, in this crowded market, and create our blue ocean within our red ocean. So this is the importance of an irresistible offer. Now the four pillars are, first of all, the burning problem. How do we identify it and why we need to solve it? The burning problem I already explained. Second is your unique value proposition, creating your unique value proposition. Third is the bonuses that you provide, that you stacking up the bonuses, various bonuses you stack in your offer to increase its perceived value. And fourth is using urgency and scarcity. And fifth is the naming convention. When all these things combine, then you create an irresistible offer. These things I will be explaining further in next video. Till then, take care. Good night.